Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Ringke Easy Slide Tempered Glass Screen Protector install and review for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the dummy device, but it is 100% accurate dimensionally to the real deal. Touch response will be perfect. I have reviewed many Easy Slide Tempered Glass Screen Protectors from Ringke for many other smartphones. Never, ever an issue when it comes to touch response. We'll get a good look at what it looks like when everything's said and done. I'll speed up the video a little bit, put some music on for your entertainment. I'll leave all the information to purchase down below in the description area. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the package and begin the process.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now. What?
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
The install was perfect. You can see the edge of the Easy Slide Tempered Glass Screen Protector there, which is going to help on a flat surface a little bit rough, and a surface that's really, really rough. But be aware, you can scratch up the tempered glass screen protector when the surface is really rough. So just use your discretion. And as I go through the many case reviews, you're going to see that this screen protector from Ringke is going to be case friendly, not only with Ringke cases, but other cases from other companies. And like I said earlier in the video, you're not going to have any issues with the touch response whatsoever. I couldn't tell you how many screen protectors from Ringke I have reviewed, and I've never had an issue. All right, thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Really appreciate it. If there's any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase the Ringke Easy Slide Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be down below in the description area. Once again, thank you, Ringke, for the opportunity to represent. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.